Hey guys, it's Fnatic Guide, and today I'm going to show you how to upgrade or replace the RAM on your laptop in 2023. But first, before you do anything, I would highly recommend checking with your manufacturer on whether you can replace your RAM or upgrade it, or how much you can upgrade your RAM. Whether it be you can upgrade to 32 gigabytes of RAM, like the computer we're using right now, or whether your RAM is soldered to the motherboard, like most modern MacBooks. So I just wanted to get that out there before we do anything else. But now, let us get into the fun stuff further before we do anything else. First, let us open Task Manager. Now you can do this whichever way you prefer, whether it be the Control-Alt-Delete menu or by right-clicking the taskbar as such. And over here, you will see pertinent information like speed, the slots used, the form factor, and the type is also pertinent information on the why it's not showing up, but I'm bringing that up now just because it is pertinent information. The type would be like DDR4, DDR3, etc., but I literally have no idea why it's not showing up. And form factor would be like DIMM, SODIMM. So, just to get that out of the way, this all is under the performance menu of Task Manager. All of this will be on the left side on Windows 11 because they did a design overhaul to Task Manager then. But overall, this design will be pretty similar whether you're using Windows 10, 8, 7, or anything older. Now before doing any kind of teardowns, you want to shut down the computer completely because you never want to replace any internal parts while the computer is still running. So I will do that right now. There we go. The computer should be, or is now, never mind, it is still running. It's turning off, and it is off. So let's get to work. Now that we have flipped over the laptop and now that it's off, you'll notice screws around the perimeter of the laptop, or on the edge of the perimeter of the laptop. I will take those out off camera, and we will take this panel off on camera. So I've got all the screws out, but these two here, they were so stubborn they didn't want to come out, so I'm just going to tear it out like that, and we get a good look at the internals. So first thing is you want to disconnect the battery before doing any work on these things. So we will do just that right now. That's your battery cable. And now we've got the battery disconnected, we can look at the RAM sticks. We'll pull up on these and we'll see both the RAM sticks. And to get them out, we need to pull on both this right here, I don't know what it's called. Pull on this, as well as that. And now it'll come up at approximately a 45-degree angle. And you can remove it. And there is our first RAM stick. And we'll get our second RAM stick. We'll do the exact same thing we did with the first one, which is go to the left, and then go to the right. And then approximately the same 45-degree angle, And there we go. Now I've got the new RAM here. These are two 16 gig sticks. These are two 8 gig sticks. So what I'm going to do is pull this up if I can. The other side, I don't know. And what you need to do is line this up and line it up at a 45-degree angle. So it lines up like that, sort of. No. So it's supposed to line up like that. And it's in. And we are good to go with the first RAM stick. Now the second one, we can get in. Same procedure, but I need to flip it over. It's now... All right, so finishing up the task, we are now lining it up. I'm going to continue to line it up with here. Down here. And there we go. This one was probably the hardest because you're looking the other way, looking the opposite of what you're actually doing. But anyway, we can now put the shield back on, or the cover back on, and I will get the screws back on off camera again. Whoops. Put it back on the other way. Now that we have actually replaced the RAM, the operating system should be able to actually see that we have doubled the RAM in the computer. We don't have to do anything in the BIOS or anything, I don't think. So let's get into it. All right, so this is the first boot up with the new RAM. Technically second because I forgot to reconnect the battery when I reassemble everything, but that was a mistake to say the least. But anyway, let's see if in Task Manager it recognizes RAM. I think it will, because in the BIOS it did. It just said new memory in the computer, something like that, and I did not have to go through any more hoops other than that. So let's see in Task Manager. Yep, I have 32 gigabytes of RAM with 23.2 available. Wait, that's... But anyway, I hope you found this helpful nevertheless. If you found this helpful, then please make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you next time.